everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I have got another BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys. Yay! Please ignore my hair. I'm looking at it in the viewfinder at the moment and I'm just like, it looks like shit. But that's okay. Anyway, that's not what we're here for today. We are here to find out what I got in my BoxyCharm. So, if you guys are interested, please keep on watching and I will let you guys know what I got in my... What month was this? October? November. November BoxyCharm. So, if you guys are wondering, yes, I say this every time and I'm sorry if you're not new here, but for anybody who is new and who lives in Australia and is wanting to know how in the world do I get BoxyCharm delivered to me over here, let me tell you, it is through a service called Shopmate and it is ran through Australia Post. Super easy. They supply you with an American address, which is actually a shipping facility. You go ahead, you jump onto the BoxyCharm website, you subscribe to the monthly deal, whatever one it is that you choose to do, and they will literally then ship the box to this shipping facility. The shipping facility will receive it. They will go through your box just to make sure that there's no perfumes or aerosol cans in there. They will then let you know it's ready to be shipped on to you. The whole total cost for the BoxyCharm and getting it shipped to Australia combined is about between $80 and $85. Generally, like obviously it can fluctuate with the dollar, so it just depends, but generally that is the most I will ever pay to get it shipped to me from the States. Now, once it has arrived to the shipping facility and I then forward it on to me in Australia, it can take anywhere between 1 to 2 weeks depending on whether or not it gets held up in customs or not. But that's pretty well it. That's how I do it. So I think for the cost of, you know, approximately 80 bucks Australian, the value of the products that you get in the box always is well worth it, in my opinion. So having said all of that, let's go ahead and see what we got for this month. So the theme for this month is called Harvest. Oh, this gives me such fall vibes. We're obviously coming into summer in Australia, so this is quite funny, but just, oh, fall, winter, it is my favourite time of year generally, so yes, this just gets me all in the feels. Anyway, so this card will give you all of the information on the back in regards to what your box contains. It'll give you a description of the item and also the prices. Now in here as well, it seems that we have got a little 25% off site-wide for Natasha Denona, which is so lovely. Now this is valid until the 25th of December 2020. So if you guys want to take advantage, the code for this is NDXBoxy. So NDXBoxy, that is the code, and you will receive 25% off site-wide for Natasha Denona. Pretty decent incentive there. We all know that Natasha Denona is one of my absolute favorite makeup artists of all time, and I really love her products. Like, I love her eyeshadow formula. I love her products in general, and I love her in general. So yes. Okay, so the first thing that I can see here is definitely something I've never seen before. I don't think I've ever seen this brand ever. So this is called, okay, it just says babe tested, vegan approved. That's nice. It's called Half Caked. Oh, if I look at this side, it tells me Half Caked Game Changer 3 Lip Fondants. I almost said foundation. 3 lip fondants. Okay. What's a lip fondant? Is that like a gloss? What is happening? Let's have a look. Alright, so you do, as I said, get a collection of 3 lippies. Look at those, oh, look at those colours. Ooh, I actually really vibe. So obviously the brand is called Half Caked. Clearly it has a caked theme, which is really cool. I know Phil will enjoy that when he's editing this for me later on. Okay, so let's do some swatches and have a look at these shades a little bit closer. So this one here is called Theme Song. Looks to be a really nice nude. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. All right, so that is that one there. That is called Half Caked. Look at that, so pretty. Next up we have Low Key. What a great name. I love that. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. Look at that. Really beautiful berry undertone there. Absolutely vibing that. And then finally we have this beautiful red. Oh, look at that. Stunning. This is called 82 Bordeaux. Oh my god, what a great name. I love this. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I love that red. Check that out. That is a stunning red. That is definitely something I would wear. In fact, to be honest with you, I would wear all three of these shades. So beautiful, very pigmented, and they have a really nice sort of like shine to them. I love that. Okay, so those ones there retail for Half Cake Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. So these are liquid lipsticks and they will dry down completely matte. So there you go. They won't have that shine to them. They will dry down completely matte. And it says here that these retail for $32 US. Not bad for three. That's pretty good. All right, moving on. Okay. Moving on, this is an item that I did actually select myself. So sometimes BoxyCharm gives you the opportunity to select one item that you would like to receive for your month. I will also just mention that this is the base box if I didn't say that before. So I always get the base box. Anyway, so this one here is by the brand Milk. I cannot get Milk in Australia. I think it has only recently just come to Selfridges over in the UK, so I think that way I could probably potentially get it shipped to me through that, but prior to that it literally has not been available to get in Australia, so really disappointing because I've always wanted to try the brand. So this is my second item from Milk that I have received from BoxyCharm now. The first item was like a matcha face, what was it, a matcha face mask, and I really enjoyed it. So this one here is the Kush mascara. This is in the waterproof version, and can I just tell you that this has got some weight to it. My goodness, I was not expecting that at all. It looks absolutely huge, like that is massive. Now let's have a look at what the wand looks like, because you know that's always very important. Again, I honestly can't believe how this feels. That's a little bit chunky on the end there. Okay, so that is what the wand looks like. Okay, I like this. I'm just worried it's actually a little bit dried out. Is that the case, or am I just losing my mind potentially? Just gonna put some on my arm hairs. Oh no, it's fine. Everything is fine. But yeah, there you go. Okay, so this will be really great for me to try out, especially as I said, we're in summer here, or almost in summer here in Australia. I love going to the beach through summertime, and so I will definitely be getting a lot of use out of this baby. And again, I just can't get over the weight of that. Like that's crazy. All right, good times. That one there is retailing for $24 US. I might have to do a video on that. I'm interested to see how well it works. Okay, so next up, and this obviously makes a whole lot of sense now that the box came with a Natasha Denona discount. We have a Natasha Denona palette, and this is actually this is her brand new palette. I'm sure she's only just released this. This is called Peak. And you have got 5 beautiful shades here, 4 mattes and 1 shimmer. Absolutely, like, I mean, just come on, look at that color story. That is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. This shade right here, you guys know I love a burnt orange shade. That is just so beautiful. I'm very, very, very excited to have received this because honestly, I probably, based on my collection, I probably wouldn't have gone and bought this on its own just because I have so much. I just didn't feel like I could justify the price, but receiving it in a BoxyCharm, it was meant to be. Somehow BoxyCharm knew how much I love Natasha Denona, because I know that not everybody got this in their base box. So I am feeling extremely, extremely lucky right now. This one here does retail for 48 US dollars. So straight away, keeping in mind that this box in itself literally retails for 25 US dollars. So you basically got the value pretty much in this mascara alone, let alone everything else that we've gotten so far. So the value, as I said before, is just, it's crazy. It's so good. All right, next up we have this item here. Now this is by Dr. Brandt, sorry. And this is the Antioxidant Spray Toner. This has got with green and white tea extract. Very nice. I do like a spray toner. I do find them a lot easier to use because I'm lazy. And I don't have a lot of time at night generally when I come home from work, so to do my skincare. So I do really enjoy a spray toner. I think that's really quite convenient. Now this one here does retail for, oh my goodness, okay. This retails for $40 American, so, or US I should say, so that is quite expensive for a toner. I am very much now looking forward to putting this to the test. Again, you guys can see the value is just absolutely growing and growing and growing. That is fantastic. Last but certainly not least in this box, we have got this one here, and this is the Alamar Cosmetics, God help me, Primo Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. What a name. I feel like I have seen this brand on Instagram, but that's about it. I don't think I've seen anybody review it or anything like that. So always happy to receive a eyeshadow primer. Let's have a look at what it looks like, see if it's got any color to it, which it does. I think it did say it was pigmented. So this is the primer just here. As you can see, it does have a small amount of pigment to it. So I'm just going to pat that into the back of my hand a little bit. And it definitely feels quite tacky. Like, I can tell you that. Definitely feels quite tacky. Oh no, it's actually now it's starting to dry down. How weird. That is such a bizarre feeling. Okay, so that has actually completely dried down now. You can barely see it on my skin at all, I don't think. But yeah, very, very excited to give that a go and see how it works. A very interesting feeling, that's for sure. And by the way, guys, they are the liquid lips all dried down. So there you go, there you have it. As you can see, I think the colors have really come out. Still so beautiful. All right, guys, so that one there retails for 15 US dollars. As always, I will have the total box value somewhere on the screen for you now, and you'll be able to see how much it is in US dollars and Australian dollars. And yeah, already I know that we have well and truly gotten our money's worth out of this box. What a great box to receive. This is probably one of my favorite boxes that I've received to date. There have been a couple that have been a little bit but this one as a whole, I'm really, really pleased with what I received, so I think that's great. Alright guys, well that is pretty much everything for this video. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what your favorite items are out of this box, and if you'd like to see me do a video with any of them, I would love to hear from you guys. As always, stay safe. We're getting into that holiday period, that holiday season, so I hope things are going well for you guys, of course. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. As always, I thoroughly appreciate your love and support as always. And yeah, that's everything, guys. I will see you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.